So if you like the Drag 2 and you like flavors off the U-Force tank, you know, something like the Drag 2 is amazing. But if you don't want to have all that pocket space or hand space taken up by something this big, the Mighty Mini is for you. What's some differences between these devices?
The airflow. I want a bunch of airflow whenever I'm hitting a sub-ohm tank or an RDA or anything like that. I want so much airflow, and the Mini doesn't have that, but the big one does. Now, you may not need that, which would make the Mini perfect for you.
Another difference is the amount of wattage you have. With a big Drag 2, it goes up to 177 watts versus the Mini, which goes up to 117. You might be thinking, 117? Pussy ass shit!
Well, you don't need that. Not for this device.
Especially with the kit.
I'm currently ripping it at 30. We've been ripping it at 25 all week.
30
it's
watts.
Completely fine.
Well, yeah, and it's got an internal battery little John thing, which means, you know, you can't pop the batteries out and put in fresh ones. You have to charge it. But at 25 to 30 watts, you're gonna last all day anyways. It doesn't matter because you're freaking low wattage.
So loaded. The resistance on this is 0.59. There you go. You don't have to hit it anywhere near 117 watts. It's like having a 200 watt mod. You're never gonna need 200 watts.
So another comparison thing you can look at is just the overall size of the devices. When put together, the Drag 2, the new Drag 2 is a lot bigger than this Mini, which makes sense because it is the Mini. But functionally, I mean,
it's literally just like a smaller version. It's a little bit not as wide, not as tall.
But still feels as premium, which is dope.
I'm not sure about the color option. It's not for sale as we're making this video, so we don't know about the color options yet.
But when we do, you'll be able to check it out. We'll have links down below for both of these devices, so that way you can go compare them for yourself, see what you like, see what you don't like, and see which one is perfect for you. But at the end of the day, these two devices are brand new and they're really freaking cool. They feel premium, and you know, the designs on them are just through the roof.
Yeah.
It's kind of like the Snow Wolf, honestly, with the resin.
It reminds me a lot, except I'm pretty sure Drag did it first with the resin. I think their original Drags were one of the original resin mods that like looked like this. I know there's been resin for a long time. Like you used to be able to get mech mods that were made like with resin.
And they felt cool.
Yeah, because they were actual
But anyways, that's the bottom line between these two devices. You know, they're two really cool devices, and you should go check both of them out.
Yeah.
So do that. Hit the subscribe button while you're clicking things, and also click that like button. And if you have any thoughts on your mind at all about these two devices, what you like, comment them down below too, so we know what you like.
Yeah.
Till next time, guys. Peace out.